Sure, go ahead.
Let's go ahead and begin. We'll be giving an informative speech covering the 5 branches of the U.S. military. Pass this out to my audience members. This is the visual aid for today's speech. The audience consists of 4 males between the ages of 21 and 24, and the purpose of this brief is to inform them of the 5 branches of the U.S. military. Without a doubt, the United States Marines are the best known fighting force in the world, but what about the other branches of service that we don't know as much about? Let's take a look at how they were formed, their current capabilities, as they are seen in the world today. Through personal research and prior knowledge of the branches, I believe I can give a superior speech regarding this topic. We will be going over the following aspects of each branch: the establishment, their past and future accomplishments, and their current capabilities. We'll start off with the United States Marine Corps. It was established in 1775, November 10th, by the Continental Congress in Philadelphia. The Marines have fought in every climate and place, to include, but not limited to, the Bahamas, the Revolutionary War, the War of 1812, the Mexican War, World Wars I and II, the Cuban Missile Crisis, Vietnam, Operation Desert Storm, and our current missions in Iraq and Afghanistan. The Marine Corps currently has 241,000 members, which is to include the reserve members as well. They are currently engaged in both OIF and OEF. The United States Navy was established on October 13, 1775. That's according to the Naval History and Heritage Command. They have fought in every major naval battle in the history of its existence, and the Navy has roughly 332,000 members, 280 ships, and 3,700 aircraft. Next, we'll cover the United States Army, which was formed on June 14, 1775, in order to meet the demands of the American Revolutionary War prior to the establishment of the United States. According to Army.mil, they are the largest military branch with currently over 1 million members. Next, the United States Air Force, which was established on September 18, 1947. They've been involved in engagements ranging from World War I, World War II, the Korean War, Vietnam, Persian Gulf War, and our 2 current wars in Iraq and Afghanistan. The Air Force currently consists of 327,500 active members, 5,573 aircraft, of which 2,286 are fighter jets. Finally, the Coast Guard, which was established on August 4, 1790. They have a broad spectrum of roles in maritime homeland security, maritime law enforcement, and search and rescue missions. The Coast Guard currently has 327,452 members. To conclude, I believe that this informative speech gave the audience a better view of the 5 branches, their establishment, the conflicts that they were involved in, and their capabilities. Also, I think it's allowed for a greater understanding of the reasons why we need all 5 branches to work together as one in order to make them a strong team, which forms our U.S. military. The end.